Are you frustrated with applying false lashes? Struggle with messy lash glue? Have you tried time and time again and still can't get them to stay on? Corners still fluttering in the wind? Well, sis, say no to glue and yes to Magnetic Lashes for a mess-free application in less than 1 minute. Say no to glue, sis. Just say no.
So this look that you're seeing now, I've actually filmed before. It is a full face of Black-owned beauty products. Now, if you haven't seen it, I will link this video in the cards above and down in the description box below. But today's video is all about these Glamnetic magnetic lashes. So I have 2 pairs of these lashes. Super, super, super cute. This lash is from their vegan series. It's the Vogue lash. And this is from their mink series. This is the Lush lash. Super cute. I bought both of those lashes, and then I have the magnetic eyeliner that you're supposed to use. And this magnetic eyeliner is what is going to be the key puzzle piece, right? So we're gonna apply this to our lids and then wait a couple of seconds and then apply the lash. And it's supposed to be just that quick, just that simple, and last all day. So we're gonna see. We about to find out. And if you are checking out my twist out, well sis, guess what? I have a video on this too. I got you, okay? So I'll link my hair video in the cards as well if you want to go check it out. Even though my makeup is pretty soft and subtle, I feel like I should use the Vogue just to be sure that you guys can see it. Now the instruction says shake bottle before each use. For best results, apply when liner is 80% dry and it dissolves in warm water. I'm going to apply the liner. Now I'm looking down into my mirror. I'm gonna try and get really close to my lash line. Okay, y'all, I'm back. I cleaned up that liner a bit and I decided to push my hair away. The liner is really, really wet, so you have to be real careful. Okay, so it's slightly sticky on this side now. And this is supposed to be super, super simple, so let's see. All right, ready? Ooh, girl, it's already pulling. It was already pulling at the lash. Y'all. That was so fast. That was so fast. Ooh, ooh. Oh, I can see the 6 different magnets. I never showed you guys. Let's see if you guys can see. Can you see the 6 different magnets? So let's put the other side on. Oh my gosh, this is so crazy. Y'all. Ooh, girl. Ain't messing with regular lashes anymore. I ain't messing with regular lashes anymore. Wow. That was so fast. And they're really on there. Like, look, I can't just like tug them off. Even the inner corners, because you know the inner corners is always an issue, child. They always be trying to come off. I am pleasantly surprised. I honestly wasn't expecting it to work out so well. Like, that was so quick. They were not lying when they said underneath a minute application. I am really impressed. Like, hands down, I don't have anything bad to say other than, you know, like, you have to get used to using that eyeliner because I wasn't expecting it to be so wet. And as you guys saw, I did mess up a little bit trying to use it. So the eyeliner definitely takes some getting used to, but once you have that down, like throwing the lashes on, no problem. Definitely make sure that you wait and let the eyeliner not completely dry, but as they recommended, 80% dry. It just pops right on. Like, as you get closer with the lash, you can actually feel the magnet like pulling toward the eyelash. It's insane. And the lashes don't feel like these are pretty long. Like, can you see? These are some pretty intense lashes, and they feel very light. You can't even really like see the lash band on it. You know, sometimes with false lashes, if you don't put enough liner on, you can kind of see the separation. I don't see that. Can you tell? Can you tell the difference between the false lash and mine? So I'm going to use the eyelash icing mascara from Beauty Bakery. And I am going to put some mascara on my bottom lashes since these top lashes are so heavy. I just don't want to look bald at the bottom. Not that I have much lash to work with down there. I just added the lip whip from Beauty Bakery in Holy Cannoli to my lips. I took my scarf down, and this is the final result. Like, look at these lashes, guys. This is insane. I 100% approve. 100% approve. They are so light. That was so easy to do. I mean, you can pop those on in the car, in the train, in the cab, in the zoo, on the moon, in the boat. No, but seriously, okay, all jokes aside, that was hands down by far the easiest lash application I have ever personally done on myself. And they have so many different styles, so many. I think it's over 20 styles on the website. They basically have a lash for every personality. Okay, so sis, I'm sure something is there for you. I'm not getting any kickback. This is unsponsored. These lashes are really good. Really good. Like, I'm usually the girl who rips her lashes off as soon as she comes into the door, but these are very comfortable, which is surprising because I was expecting them to feel a little heavier because of the magnets. I can't feel the magnets. The lashes feel really light, like they're barely there. You know how some lashes, especially once you get to the extra ones, they kind of feel heavy. I don't feel that at all, and they look really good. If you found this review to be helpful and valuable, I would appreciate it if you gave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, and let me know in the comments below if you've ever tried magnetic lashes, or if you will try them now that you've seen this video, because girl, who's messing around with glue anymore? Not I. I'm not. Okay, if it ain't magnet, we don't want it. I don't want my other lashes to hear when I say I'm not using them no more. Okay? Oh, girl, look at the girl. Do you see? Girl, you can't tell me you don't see Mom. Fire. You hear me? Fire. Get these lashes in. I won't call the bank and let them know that you